Something that really brings me joy is just around how important whakapapa is and hapūtanga is and how easy it is to hold you in all of your mahi. With Kairākau Awhi, I was going through this journey of whakapapa, of I guess realising the mātauranga that I did have, even though I didn't know it as that. Since being here, the intention has been to put a bit of a po in the ground, so it's easy in virtual digital land to still have a little bit of a disconnect, and especially when I was trying to ground everything in whakapapa, because that was where I was getting my strength and my confidence. This brings it home a little bit. Te taha wairua aspect that we were missing in Kairākau Awhi, so it's been a real defining moment for the business as well, just in being able to embed it and ground it in whenua. So my nanapa, I didn't have much to do with him until about 2011, 2012, but he's got some very tūturu whakapapa lines here. We engaged with him in the last sort of 2 to 3 years of his life. Didn't get to make it here with him, but I've been able to develop those relationships since, and I'm the first of his whakapapa line to be here since he left in about I think the 50s or 60s with his oldest 2 children. So yeah, definitely came with not much. But yeah, hapū, my marae, my whakapapa connections have held me here. They've given me a sense of identity that I've never experienced before, and it has been an unlocking for me. So we've got 5 tamariki now, all of them that are talking are fluent in their reo. We had relatively, safe life and existence down in Tamaki. We had a lot of whakapapa down there. But yeah, I guess coming up here and sacrificing all of that, you've got to make it count for your tamariki. The thing I love most about living in Kaikohe is that everyone knows that we are rangatira. So it's not a case of if, it's just a known. Everyone's assuming their authority over their land, over their whānau.